In our scenario, we encountered a puzzling problem with SSH authentication on a MacBook Pro running a previous version of macOS. The issue stemmed from a recent change in permissions for the user directory, hindering the public key authentication process. Despite the seemingly unchanged environment, this unexpected hiccup disrupted the smooth sailing of passwordless SSH connections. Diving into the solution that resolved this predicament, we uncovered a vital piece of the puzzle in the form of the system's path variable configuration. Unbeknownst to many, the system automatically places US local bin at the forefront of the $path, potentially leading to unintended consequences. This crucial detail shed light on the underlying cause of the authentication woes experienced in this case. Continuing the investigation into the solution, the recent Homebrew upgrade that updated the OpenSSL version to 3.2.1 unveiled another layer to the conundrum. The difference between the system's default OpenSSL version and the one managed by Homebrew played a significant role in the SSH authentication malfunction observed recently. This unexpected interplay between system-managed and Homebrew-managed OpenSSL versions introduced a subtle yet impactful variable into the mix. To wrap up our exploration of this peculiar SSH authentication dilemma, we've highlighted the importance of considering all elements of the system environment, including the nuanced interactions between default and externally managed software versions. By delving into the intricacies of system configurations and software dependencies, we can untangle even the most perplexing tech mysteries. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.